now we are coming to the next section, that is the profile of the respondent. So until now, reliability analysis, data preparation and screening, and now the profile of the respondents is also very necessary to discuss, because the demographic information is necessary as it describes whether the individual in a particular study is representative sample or not. So for this, all you can see, if you can just thoroughly see the demographic variables that we have used in this study, that are age, gender, personal income of the people, internet usage frequency, internet shopping frequency. So how we know whether they are representative or not? So we have done a similar context studies analysis, some of those, and we have found that the features like age, gender, internet usage frequency, and internet shopping frequency have controlling effect to purchase intention of Malaysian online consumers. So hence these demographic features were included in the survey questionnaire. So now just look at this survey. Generally you need to see. Okay, in terms of 400 sample size, almost half of them are male and female. In terms of age, most of the people are within the age group of 18 to 24. So then, okay, the older age, they are very less, and then the personal income less than 1173. This might be justified with the fact that most of the people are low income people, sorry, low age people. And then the internet usage frequency, at least once in a day, 255, at least once in a week, 130. So most of them are frequent internet users. So internet shopping frequency, in if you can see, in last 3 months, every month and every week, if you can see, the data is more than 75%, I guess. So now what I'm saying, we need to justify whether this data is actual representative to the study. So for this we have used particular test, no, this one, there is trend analysis, where we have compared those trends with some of the past studies, some reports, and some similar context work. And then the chi-square test, where we have compared with our expected response to whatever we have got in actual. So as it is said that the chi-square goodness of fit test is used in testing for differences between two groups of respondents. According to this, chi-square goodness of fit is designed to test the exact fit between two groups. The comparison on 5 demographic criteria is reported next. So okay, for example, going to the gender difference between sample and sampling frame were examined through chi-square goodness of fit test. The outcomes are summarized in table, okay, 4.8. okay, if you just go to this table, if you can say this value is more than 0. 0.05. So which means that there is a significance in terms of conducting the chi-square test. So our expected values were taken from these particular researches, and the other is we have taken the actual sample, because just go to my previous videos to see what was the actual sample, and we have compared this. Okay, because these were those people who were using Facebook and having an interest in online shopping. So just go to the Google figures and find out how many people in Malaysia are up to a particular date. How many percentage of people are male and female in terms of having their online shopping interest. So how many people, in other words, male, how many male people have shown their interest in online shopping, and on the other hand, how many female have shown the interest in online shopping, and they are from Malaysia also. So I come out with the figure that the actual sample was pretty much 50-50%, and our sampling frame, what we have got, is pretty much near to it. And this is something, if you can say, there is pretty much precise. And if you can see the comparison, there is not much comparison, not much to compare with it. So by applying the chi-square test, it was known that there is not much difference between the sample and the sampling frame. So it shows that the number of the percentage of gender group is pretty much precise and representing our particular study. So just to make it more precise, we have analyzed with one study also, and then in that study the sample was used as 48% male and 52% female, and on the other hand our sample is this one. So